Hello there guys, it's Adam here from Code Heaven, and I'm here today to show you guys how to make a horizontal navigation bar and how to create banners. And these are very handy tools. Okay, so let's get into this because it's our second one, and we want to continue from where we left off yesterday, and the first thing that we're going to be making is a banner. Now to do a banner we start off as we did yesterday with the link, so you can just copy that code right here. Only the first bit of it though, okay? And then let's say here. And now I'm just gonna link it to reaction GIFs. And I'm not a big redditor. It's just handy and just choosing this for an example. And then you close it. And then the next bit is open img src, which means source. And then you want to do equals, open your quotations, and then link an image which I already have linked. Oh no, I forgot. I don't know what is happening. Okay, there we go. And then we want to link an image which I have pre-prepared. Copy image URL. Control V. Control Z. Control Z. And then you have your image. But next thing you want to do is define a border. I don't want a border. Equals there, but just put it in for the sake of it 0. So if you just copy the code, if you need to pause at any time, I don't think I'm going very fast at all. Alt equals quotations, and then inside put whatever you want, because this is just when you hover over it, it validates it. Reaction GIFs makes it look better as well. Okay, and if we Control S and we have to close it, and if we press Control S, and if we just open in Chrome, we should see a GIF right here. And if we click on it, it should bring us to reaction GIFs, and it does indeed. Okay, so guys, now that we have that sorted out, we want to get a nice navigation bar going right across the top of it here, right here. So to get that going, we're going to need to get into CSS. But before we do any of that stuff, let's create some space in the body. Now this is just for the start of it, you could say. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to do UL, and then you want to do UL, do not close it, ID equals NAV, so nav, okay? And then I'm going to close it off. Then I believe you do /li /li, and then you leave your link a href equals quotations http semicolon // YouTube www dot even youtube.com, and close it off. And now that you have that done, you want to call it something. So this is very simple. You could even say ugly one, but it works well, and I'm not gonna diss that because it works well. Why diss it? Okay, now just copy and paste that a couple of times. Let's say 5 times. Well, let's just do 3, okay? That's a few. And then let's just leave those for an example. And then you want to close it off using /ul, and there we go. Now the next thing that you want to do is not in the body. You want to force style. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now what you want to do is open a new thing called style even, then close it, and then all inside this is going to be your CSS. So let's start off with this, okay? Hashtag 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 nav, and now that's just gonna refer, as you can see down here. I've referred it. So nav, and then you want to do that bracket, and now that's gonna give you a bit of format, and then you want to do your width, which we are going to make width, and then semicolon 100%, which is just gonna make it 100% of the people's screen. And if I just find, yeah, okay, 100%, and then you close it off with that, and then you want to float it, float, semicolon, left, and this is just, it's just gonna float it left, but it will cover the whole thing obviously, so it doesn't really matter. And then semicolon, 0, 0, 3em, 0, and that to close it off, and then padding, which is just going to be 0, 0, close. Then you want to do, let me remember, list style, and I think it's none. Yeah, we're going to do none, and then we can use jQuery later to give a nice distinctive look, but that will come later. And it is background color, spelt in the American way, not saying anything. Okay, and I'm gonna do 323. Okay, because that's pretty much this color scheme that I'm going for throughout the website. And then the border bottom, and you want one pixel, so 1px solid hashtag, and let's choose a nice shade of blue, because that's okay. And then you want to do border top, same thing, 1 pixel, 1px, and you want to make it solid, and you want to give it this exact same color, so hashtag 03f. Okay, and then we are ready to close that after we put something that I missed here. Okay, and then we just close it using that, and then the next thing that you want to do is nav, and this is, don't worry about this, you just gotta do it. Okay, sorry, fucking yo mate. Okay, li, and you should have, yeah, okay, and then, oh no, no, I believe it actually is not that, it's li, okay, and then you do a semicolon hover. If you just follow this, guys, you'll have a nice looking nav bar by the end of this video. Color equals, don't do equals, don't listen to that, 03f, then close it off, background color, fail, and you want to do 3. Okay, 3, and there you go. Close it, and that's that done. So you've got that step done. No, actually, Jesus, go back. Just erase all that, okay? Erase all that, and then you want to just open that there, and just simply do float left, and then that's done. And then you want to close it. Okay, and then you want to do hashtag navli a, then open, display block. Okay, so block, close, and then you want to do padding, And guys, I know I'm probably gonna be fast for you, and that's okay because I can go over it again in the next episode in more depth. But this is for people that have seasoned. Seasoned. Okay, text, and then you want decoration because we'll just define as none. Okay. Then I think what you're gonna do is continue. Yeah, so you continue and you do font weight. Oh my god, typing. Okay, font weight, and then you do semicolon bold because we want it in bold because it looks actually pretty nice. Bold, and then we go down, and then we do color, and we'll do 069. Okay, and I'll just grab that number from past experience, and it's nice. So, and then border. Now here's where it's right. Okay, semicolon, and then 1 pixel solid, and the color you're gonna make it the same as you made it up there, which was 03F. Close, boom, and then we have just a hashtag, and we're nearly done. Nav Lee. Now this is what's gonna. Sorry, I forgot to close this. This is what's gonna come up now when you are hovering over it. So it's gonna change color, which is gonna look fairly nice indeed. And then hover. If I remember correctly, it should be just. Let's make it. I only remember a couple of colors, so let's make it hashtag C00. Okay, so we have this. Okay, let's 0F3 and see what it looks like. It's probably gonna look real glitchy, but that's basic website. And then background color, and you put your color for your background on now, which is 3333 333 333 333. Okay, and then you simply close it off, and then if we have a look now, control save, we go in preview in Chrome, and you have it. You have a navigation bar, and it completely works amazingly well. But the next thing that we're gonna do is let's actually make it a different background color. So let's tweak it. So hashtag, and let's make it pinky. Okay, and then we'll go and we'll refresh after saving. And let's see, after putting it here even. F, Control S, and we will hopefully get a result out of this, because if it doesn't then... Okay, as you can see now, color has changed, and we can fix it up in the next episode, but there's the basics, guys, and hopefully we're following it, but we'll fix it up and give it some nice touches in the next episode. Guys, good day, happy Pancake Tuesday, and please do like, comment, and subscribe. Good day.